Hi guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video we will see what is min and max function in DAX, and we will also see how to use this function inside a DAX measure. So to understand these two aggregation function, let us consider an business use case, which is we want to find out for each product category what is my highest or lowest unit price which is there in my sales table. So let us see how these min and max function are used inside our Power BI report. So now we are inside Power BI desktop, and let's understand this min and max function inside DAX. So in this table visual, I have this product category here. So for each product category, I want to show the highest and lowest unit price which the product has. So let me show you the table here. So this is my product table in my data model. So if you see here, I have my product category column here. So in this table, I have my product category column here. And for each product which the electronic store sells to the customer, we have a unit price for that product name. So to find the maximum unit price under each product category, so let me create a new measure, and I'll give a title like max. So I will use a max function. So if you see the syntax for this function, it is pretty much very simple. If you give a particular column to this function, then this function will give you the highest value which is present in that particular column. So I will give my unit price column which is there in my product table, and I will close this measure. So now let us use this max measure in my table. So now we got the result for each product category. My max measure which shows the highest unit price which is present in that particular category. So I will also include my product name here so that we can see it very clearly. So I have used my matrix visual here. So now you can see it very clearly. If I expand my accessories category, so my maximum value which is present in my accessories category is 2425, and we can also check which product has that unit price. So if you scroll down, you can see the highest value here. So 2425, which belongs to my Samsung mouse. So this particular product which has the highest unit price which is present in my accessory category. So similar to that, for each product category, we got the maximum unit price which is present in that category. So in this manner, we can use this max function to find the maximum value which is present in a particular column. So in a similar way, we can use our min function to return the minimum value for each category. So let me create a new measure for my minimum function. So here I will use min function, and it also requires a particular column to return a smallest value in that column. So in this case, I will use my unit price column again. So I will save this measure, and now I will use this measure in this same table. And now we got the minimum unit price value for each product category. And if you expand for this laptop category, you can find the unit price for each product name, and this 100 unit price which belongs to a product name called Dell Ultrabook. So in this way we can use this max and min function to return the maximum or minimum value from a particular column. So this is how we can use this aggregation function inside our report. So I hope you understood how these max and min function works inside our Power BI report. So thanks for watching this video.